We are a leading manufacturer of high-quality footwear for international distribution based in East Java, Indonesia. We have the capability to produce wide varieties of shoes for exporting more than 20 years. We are eager to expand our market globally. The fundamental objective of pt.Gradial Perdana Perkasa is to establish a healthy business environment for a mutually beneficial relationship with our suppliers and international footwear buyers. We invite you to explore long-term partnerships with our fast-growing company. 600 employees, 2 manufacturing sites, 1 supporting companies, 1 marketing company and development center, Indonesia and China. Production capacity 1 million pairs per year. Company history. pt.Gradial Perdana Perkasa started as a small family joint venture under a different company name in 1,980 inches, Surabaya, East Java. The company practiced traditional handmade methods, starting with only 20 workers in making men's footwear for the Indonesian market. Within a few years, the company built its first factory plant in area of 1,800 square meter to support an increasing demand. After the family joint venture was ended in 1991, our founder, CEO, Mr. Hartono Sutanto, decided to establish an independent company to accommodate Europe growing demand. This was marking the inception of pt.Gradial Perdana Perkasa as one of the first children leather shoes manufacturer, OEM, in East Java. Under a new management and branding, pt.Gradial Perdana Perkasa developed successful key partnerships and strong business relations with many European clients and gained recognition for our superior quality export footwear. Certifications and compliance. Committed to international standards, trusted by global partners. To be a leading manufacturer of high-quality footwear for international distribution, we conduct our professional relationships based on 3 core values: customer satisfaction, commitment to highest quality, corporate integrity. pt.Gradial Perdana Perkasa is a proud member of the Higg Index, an organization dedicated to promoting ethical and responsible business practices in the global supply chain. We are also a member of the Indonesian Footwear Association, APRISINDO. Our facilities have been fully audited by a certified third party, Intertech, for social compliance. We also hold ISO 900-12015 certification. We have several laboratory testing machines, including bonding test, flexibility test, waterproof test, yellowing test. To continuously improve the quality of our footwear, we conduct regular laboratory testing. This ensures that our products meet international standards and deliver consistent quality to our customers. Vision. We are eager to expand our market globally. The fundamental objective of pt.Gradial Perdana Perkasa is to establish a healthy business environment that fosters mutually beneficial relationships with suppliers and international footwear buyers.
Selamat sore. Kita tetap melaksanakan kerjanya. Kita laksanakan sesuai dengan
pt.Gradial Perdana Perkasa. We are a leading manufacturer of high-quality footwear for international distribution based in East Java, Indonesia.